I am going to show you today how to sign up for your own CapCut account to start editing videos today. Head over to the CapCut.com website and you can sign up here for free. Now here you're going to enter however you want to sign up. So you can choose to link your Google account, your TikTok account, your Facebook account, or choosing a QR code if that's available. Or you can just sign up with your email and password, but I would suggest signing up with your Google account or one of these above options so that it can make syncing across devices much easier. Today I'm going to choose Google and link it up to my Gmail account. Now just choose to name your space. You can choose any name here and then enter CapCut. I'm going to skip this option and close out the privacy policy. Okay, now you have your own CapCut account and you can start editing videos. The first place that I typically go to would be create new video. But you can see here you have your space here, and inside your space you can have all of your projects, and these can actually sync to the cloud. I can go over this in a future video, but if you do post a video here, you can have it sync to the cloud so that you can also use the CapCut app on your phone to be able to edit on the go, which is super helpful. Now what we just did was create an online account, but I would highly suggest downloading the actual application on your desktop, and you'll have tons more features and flexibility if you do that. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out of the website and show you where you can find this. Now I'm back over at the CapCut.com website, and you can see here at the bottom you can download for Windows. Go ahead and click that button. And you're going to choose where on your computer you want the file to save. I typically choose my desktop, but feel free to choose wherever you'd like that you can find it easily. Now just find the file and click Install Now. This is going to install the application on your computer. And it only takes a few minutes. Once it's done installing, you can click Start Now. And now you have a CapCut application installed on your machine. So from here, to start a project, you would just click New Project. You can see now that you have a ton of different tools that you can use to start video editing, much more than the website or the app can do. Now I'm going to show you how to install the CapCut app on your iPhone. So if you head over to the App Store, you'll search for CapCut. The app you want to download is the one that is black and white here, and you'll click Install. Now the app is pretty handy because you can start a project on the go, and then when you get back to your computer you can keep working on your project from the application on your machine or on the website of CapCut.com. So if you're using the app, all you would do is again click on this big New Project button in the middle of the screen to